we can say that this carbon atom is more substituted now. This one, okay, this carbon atom is more substituted, and this one is two hydrogens already are there. So addition of water molecule we are going to do to across this carbon carbon double bond. So it's obvious, if mercury acetate is there, then hydroxide group will go at this carbon atom. Okay, so you have to write blindly, you can write here hydroxyl group has been attached over here. So it follows the Markovnikov addition of HOH. Okay, no rearrangements, not stereospecific. Okay, so both things are important. No rearrangements because there is no formation of carbocation. So no rearrangements and not stereospecific. Okay, so next one, cyclohexene, 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexene. We have to add methanol in presence of mercury acetate. Distillation of methanol. Here we cannot say this is Markovnikov addition everything because this is symmetrical molecule. A Markovnikov addition rule has been we can implement only in the case of unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, unsymmetrical alkene. That means unsymmetrical means one end of the carbon carbon double bond should be more substituted compared to other end of the carbon carbon double bond. So here we can see both end of the carbon carbon double bond they have substituted equally. Okay, so equal the same substance they have been attached to this carbon carbon double bond. So this is symmetrical olefin, and in this case Markovnikov addition, the rule is not we cannot apply this rule. It's meaningless. This rule, Markovnikov rule, is meaningless in case of symmetrical alkene. So here they have given because of this alkene is symmetrical. So no rearrangement, no stereospecificity. Okay, so OCH group you can add either this carbon atom or this carbon atom. Both are the same thing. Now next reaction, hydroboration reaction, very important. Okay, now pay attention. It's very nicely these things that first of all we have seen addition of water molecule in presence of Bronsted acid like H2SO4, we do get rearranged product. Okay, so a totally different product from the starting material. Then what we have done, we don't want rearranged product, we want a starting material keep as it is. That means if we start with 4-membered ring, at the end we wanted 4-membered ring in the product. Okay, so for that one we eliminated H2SO4 and we have added mercury acetate to keep the starting material constant. Okay, only we want to do the addition across carbon carbon double bond. Now what by mercury acetate we can get the Markovnikov addition product. Okay, so here is the example, mercury acetate addition of water molecule in presence of mercury acetate, we get the Markovnikov addition product. Now what we Markovnikov rule. Okay, so we don't want to follow the Markovnikov rule, and we want to add hydroxyl group instead of more substituted carbon atom. We want to add it to the less substituted carbon atom. Okay, without rearrangements. We don't want to do rearrangements, and we want to attach this hydroxyl group at the less substituted end of the carbon carbon double bond, which is not easy because this is science, and science follows the rule. And wherever carbon carbon double bond at which side that one is more substituted, obviously hydroxyl group will add at the most substituted side. Okay, so but now without rearrangements, without use of H2SO4, we want to do the addition of hydroxyl group at the less substituted end. That means we want to do uh, addition reaction via anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, so anti-Markovnikov rule means addition of hydrogen group occurs at the less substituted end of the carbon-carbon double bond. So this will require a different reaction and different Lewis acid reagent. Okay, so now we have used for addition of water. First we have used Bronsted acid like H2SO4. For second option, we have used Lewis acid like mercury acetate. Now again we will change the reagent, like we will use Lewis acid reagent. Okay, Lewis acid reagent is nothing but the BH3 borane. Okay, it's a new Lewis acid reagent, borane BH3, boron having electronic configuration 1s to 2s to 2p1, and we can form BH3 molecule. Here is the BH3, and boron is having empty p orbital. Okay, it is electron deficient like AlCl3. Okay, boron BH3 AlCl3 they are electron deficient species, so that's why we can call them Lewis acidic reagent. Okay, so we are going to use this boron for the to create the or to add hydroxyl group at the less substituted end of the carbon carbon double bond. So first we will see the what reagent, what is that, how to do the reaction, and what are the material we need to do the hydroboration reaction. Okay, so BH3 one reagent, you know, we come to know BH3. So with BH3 we can use tetrahydrofuran as a solvent. Okay, so BH3 and tetrahydrofuran solvent, this is a very nice combination of these two. And by, so you can pay attention here, BH3 is very strong Lewis acid. Okay, which acts as electrophile, and tetrahydrofuran, which is solvent. It's ether actually. Okay, a five-membered ether, five-membered cyclic ether tetrahydrofuran, in acts as a Lewis base because it's rich in electron. Okay, oxygen having two lone pair of electron, that's why that one is rich in electron. So as that one is rich in electron, we can call it base. And Lewis acid, as we know, boron is poor via electron. Boron doesn't have more electron. Its p orbital is empty, and we can say that's why boron always needs some electron from the other groups or other whatever material present behind him or that compound. So boron always seeking electrons from the other molecule. So here boron is abstracting electron from this tetrahydrofuran solvent. So there is a formation of one complex in between BH3 and THF, and that complex we do write normally BH3 dot THF. Okay, so whenever you will see any reaction with BH3, definitely you can find there THF as a solvent, and there is a formation of complex formation in between BH3 and THF. So this is the of that complex, and this complex having negative charge and positive charge on the adjacent atoms, boron and oxygen. It's very important and very beautiful reaction actually. So again we are going to add OH group to the less substituted end. That means we want to follow the now anti-Markovnikov of addition reaction, and this anti-Markovnikov of addition of water molecule we can carry out with the help of boron. Okay, BH3 and THF. So here pay attention. Again we have taken the same molecule. Okay, unsymmetrical olefin, unsymmetrical, there is one hydrogen and one hydrogen. So unsymmetrical olefin, and addition of BH3 now we are going to do. So boron is electron deficient, acts as a Lewis acid, and now carbon carbon double bond acts as a Lewis base. So reaction in between Lewis base, Lewis acid. So this lone pair is forming bond in between boron and carbon because boron doesn't have more electrons. So this lone pair we can use, and once we form this bond, carbon boron bond is forming. Now hydrogen from the boron. Now boron has negative charge. Boron is electron rich now because it has two more electron it got from this carbon carbon double bond. Now boron is rich. Boron, pay attention. The negative charge is present on the boron, and positive charge is present on the carbon atom. Okay, so now this positive charge carbocation, it abstracts hydride H minus from this boron. Okay, so H minus is shifting from boron to this carbon atom. So here is the formation of new intermediate. Okay, so BH2 is attached to the less substituted carbon atom. Pay attention, less substituted carbon atom, and hydrogen is getting attached to the more substituted carbon atom. So boron adds to the least substituted end of the alkene, and boron and hydrogen adds to the same side of the alkene, that is syn addition. So this is syn addition. So both addition occurs from the same side. Okay. So this is syn addition. This addition, in this type of addition, you can say that this is syn addition. It's very important in your syllabus also. I think this term, I think it must have been present. Syn addition. ऍडिशन रिॲक्शन आहे का नाही आहे. ठीक आहे. So this is the syn addition reaction. Because both boron and hydride is addition occurs from the same side of the carbon carbon single bond. Okay, the reaction is regio specific again. That means hydroxide we have added to the least substituted side. Okay, least substituted end of the carbon carbon double bond. The reaction is stereospecific as well. Okay, this reaction, both these reaction are regiospecific as well as stereospecific. The hydrogen and hydroxide add to the same side of the carbon carbon double bond. That means this reaction follows the syn addition pathway. Okay, the opposite of the anti addition. Syn addition we have seen what is the syn addition. Then next, actually the best current evidences suggest that the intermediate does not really form, and the Cb and Ch bonds are formed almost at the same time, with the Cb bond forming somewhat before the Ch bond in an unsymmetrical transition state. That means they want to say that the formation, this molecule is forming at the same time. Addition of hydrogen and BH2 occurs to this carbon carbon double bond. Okay, so we can say this one is its another detail. Now we got